Hi guys and welcome back to TK Talk YouTube channel. This is our 5th episode in the Python for Kids course. In this episode, we will show you how to make a loop using Python. Before we begin, please remember to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Before we create a loop in Python, we need to understand what a loop is and how many times of loops are there. In general, a loop is a function that consistently repeats itself until it is told to stop. There are two types of loops in Python, for and while loops. For loops are loops that can repeat itself for a restricted amount of time. On the other hand, while loops are loops that have no limits to how many times they can repeat. You can stop the loop whenever you want, and as long as the statement is true, while loops will never stop. Now that we understand what a loop is and how many types of loops are there, let's begin with the code. Please go to Google Colab. If you don't know how to use it, please refer back to our Google Colab tour. Now let's begin by making a for loop. To show you what a for loop can do, let's make a for loop that will write the name of 4 different fruits: cherry, apple, orange, and banana. Let's make a list variable named fruits, and let's give this variable the list of fruit names. Now we need to make another variable, x. When we create variable x, we will be creating it while writing the code itself. So make a new line inside the code bar and write this. Now all we have to do is just print x. So please write print x. Now just press Shift Enter. And as you can see, it made a successful list of our fruits. Now let's make a while loop. To begin the code, let's write x equals 1. Make a new line, and to make the system know that this is a while loop, we have to write while x, which is our variable, is less than 100. Then we write the 2 dots on top of each other. Make a new line and write print x, which is our variable. But before we run the code, we have to make x increase over each time. So let's make a new line and write x plus equals 1. Now press Shift Enter, and it should constantly increase unless it hits 100. And as you can see, we have made a while loop. In this episode, we explained for and while loops, and as well as we showed an example on them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.